Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Berenda Elementary School in Madera, California, part of the Madera Unified School District, home of the Broncos. Berenda Broncos. It's my third time here at their school, and another great day with grades 1st through 6th and 3 separate assemblies. And the main focus today was on positivity, be your best self, right? So we've talked about bullying in the past, we talked about diversity. This is the third topic in my series, and that focused on us having a positive attitude with everyone in our lives and everywhere in our lives, right? Here at school, with our teachers, with our coaches, with our classmates, our family, friends, making sure we're still doing that at home and off campus. And, you know, I really love that what they really try to push here at their school, and that's to be respectful, to be safe, and to be responsible. And part of being responsible and respectful is not just to others, but to ourselves, right? To be kind to our minds. And when we're talking about having this positive attitude, the person we're going to talk to the most in our life is ourselves. So we want to ideally be telling ourselves something very positive. And the way more we can do that and flip the script to not focus on the negative thoughts or beliefs, but focus on something more positive, you know, we start to see our life become a lot more positive as well. And it's easy to be positive on days like today when the sun is shining, beautiful day here in Madera. But on days when it's not, when it's storming out, cloudy, not the best weather, or something where it's kind of like cloudy inside of our hearts too, where we have a storm going on here, something that's kind of weighing us down, whether it's at home or a certain tough situation, we know that there's always hope, and those are opportunities that can make us stronger if we let them, right? And that's why I wear this shirt for this assembly. It says, keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose, so if you're looking down, feeling sad, head is down, it's a reminder to always keep your head up, right? To always think positive no matter what. And for myself personally, you know, going through some tough challenges, one of the years of my life, a lot of loss in my family, some of my friends, problems in my job, problems in my health. I found myself definitely thinking a lot more negatively that particular year. So this shirt was that constant reminder, you know, that I can keep pushing, keep trying, and know that the opposite of success is not failure, it's quitting or giving up, right? We can fail again, and again, but if we are able to keep trying, there's always that possibility that we might succeed. If we don't try at all, then we have no chance, right? So just through a series of heartfelt stories, some motivational videos, the positive music, of course, the hip hop, the repeat after me rap that we did today, I think the students really got that. You know, a lot of them came up to me before the assemblies, after, sharing their heart with me, and it was just a beautiful experience, you know, to see that they've taken to heart what was built the first 2 years that I've been here, and now this third year we just keep growing and growing and growing. And you know, it's always encouraging to me to see our young people, you know, pick up that torch for change, for positivity. This world needs a lot more of that, of course. And that led into my parent session for tonight, which was on leadership, passion to purpose, where we turn our passion, the things that we're great at, our gifts, our talents, our abilities, even at a young age, and start making that our purpose, right? Our life calling, why we're here on this planet. And hopefully a big part of that is to help others, right? To help them see that their worth and their value. I bring this up in all my presentations. All of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M, and that M stands for miracle, right? Sometimes a faint line connects it, but upside down W, that stands for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it, but we have to believe that, right? And as leaders, we can do that, and we can do things for the right reasons. We know that we can stand for strong character, strong values, strong morals, and the more of a strong foundation that we have, and that we're putting others ahead of ourselves, you know, people first and things second, that's what starts to make this world a better place. So thanks for touching my heart. It was a beautiful day and evening here back at Berenda. Hope to see you all again in the near future. Until then, though, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button to see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.